to come up. So the so our application will up. Through this asynchronous class, the client will be started, and this client is going to try to connect to the server on the port 5500. The server is also listening to the port 5500 in this Java application. So we are going to later then send values from our Android app to the client. So let's just see what happens. When the client will be up, we should get this value here that the server client is connected to the server. So we need to wait a bit more. It is coming up. Sent the value is shown here, but the client is not yet connected. Let's see what happened. Yeah, maybe because the value is not changed, it was the first value, so we need to change the value so that we come to, so that this is true, either pressure value is changed or sensor value is changed, and we then have a change value, and then we send that to the server. So let's see. Yes, let's bring the Java server up. Now click here. Yes, now this is here. Virtual sensors and additional sensors. Go to the pressure sensor and just change the value 2.0. And let's see what happens. Oh, sorry, I changed the proximity value, not the ambient or pressure. I need to either change the temperature value or the pressure value. So let's change the pressure value. And now this will appear. Yeah, the pressure value is here, but the client has not yet connected. Okay, I changed the temperature. The temperature value is here as well, but the client has not yet connected. So let us see what happened. Trying to connect to the server to send server readings. So it did came to this class and tried to send the values, but this somehow failed. 10.0. We can print what sensor IP address we have here. Make it plus. In fact, trying to connect to the server should be here. Plus plus. No, should have in between the server value here. Right here. In the same way, we should have it here connected to the server to show to which server it is connected. Let's see, that's it. So let's see what happens now. We restart. Yeah, we saw here, right? Because one of this trying to connect server message was printed, but connected to the server message was not printed. So we were here when we changed the value of the temperature and the pressure sensor, and the value got updated on the screen. And then we came here because when we change the values, we are actually calling our sensor class. So we are again now starting. We just printed the sensor value inside the message to see which, the server IP in the message to see if the server IP is right. And then see what happens. Our server is still waiting. So the client is up again. Let's change the value of the sensors again. Let's change the value of the temperature again. Okay, it appeared. Now see what we have on the